Uncertainty hangs over the Canadian real estate market. The Canadian Real Estate Association, CREA, reports downward pressure on residential property resales in Canada in January, along with a significant increase in listings. This situation reflects the growing uncertainty in the Canadian real estate sector, influenced by economic and political factors. Decline in sales and increase in listings. Decline in sales. Property sales in Canada fell by 3.3% compared to December, with a noticeable slowdown during the last week of January. However, compared to January of the previous year, sales increased by 2.9%. Increase in listings. The number of newly listed properties jumped by 11% month over month. This increase is the highest recorded since the late 1980s, excluding pandemic-related fluctuations. Compared to the previous year, new listings have risen by 23%. Factors of uncertainty. American political uncertainty. The inauguration of U.S. President Donald Trump on January 20th has fueled concerns about Canada's most important trade relationship, raising fears of potential economic repercussions. Elections in Ontario. The upcoming elections in Ontario add an extra layer of uncertainty to the Canadian real estate market. Federal elections. The prospect of federal elections also contributes to the overall climate of uncertainty affecting the real estate market. Impact on prices. Annual increase. The average price of a home has increased by 1.1% compared to the previous year, reaching $670,064. Monthly decline. In seasonally adjusted data, the average price fell by 2% compared to December. Reference price. The aggregate benchmark price of $720,500 has increased by 0.2% year over year, and it decreased by 0.1% compared to the previous month. Price stability, despite the changes with few forced sales. The lack of significant price changes is attributed to the low number of forced sales, as indicated by a mortgage default rate that is lower than pre-pandemic levels. Strategic sellers. The increase in listings seems to come more from sellers looking to offload a rental or an investment, which reduces the pressure on prices. Future uncertainty. It remains to be seen how long this trend will last, with the possibility of a price drop if supply continues to increase. The future of the Canadian real estate market remains uncertain, with multiple factors influencing its evolution. Industry professionals and consumers will need to stay alert and flexible in the face of potential changes.